Here. See, look, it breaks like glass. Global warming. Try to talk to a Quebecer about global warming, and we look at you funny.
Kupu-kupu mama pasti tahu cara jitu. Hai, apa kabar semua? Aku harap kalian semua happy and healthy. Hari ini rencananya aku akan bahas mengenai bencana alam yang menimpa jutaan orang yang harus hidup tanpa listrik di suhu dingin yang bisa mencapai minus 30 derajat Celcius.
A centimeter thick, and when I pull this, it's all gonna crack. Here we go. See the cracks in the ice here. It breaks like glass, but if you hit them, you're gonna dent your car, so you can't do that. You gotta let it melt off or whatever, break off. So here, this is all ice under here. This is all ice between. I'm gonna crack it open.
Oh,
So now
it's frozen.
crack it open. You can't open your windows. You can't use your windshield wipers. All of that is frozen solid, and it's like a centi thick, and sometimes places thicker.
Oh.
The car's starting up, we're gonna let it warm up, and we're gonna hope that we melt from the inside from the warmth of the car.
Jadi I cannot open this.
Can't open it?
No.
Stuck.
Lapisan bawahnya es ya. Look at that, panjang banget. Paku nih buat kuntilanak. Oh my god, this is the real frozen.
That's correct. I want you to see this. So
Oh
you see all the branches are encapsulated in ice, at least a centimeter, I would say some more, up a centimeter thick, and the whole tree is like this, so it's taking all the weight of that water. When you crack it, you risk damaging the plant underneath it, and the wind comes and boom, you lose branches.
Yeah.
A phenomenon that happens, that's when it rains close to zero. Eventually it stops and starts to snow like it's doing now. So now everything is coated with this glass ice. It's all very glassy. See how everything breaks under it? And then it's covered by this little flaky snow just to fool you, so that you can easily slip and hurt yourself. So be careful.
Oke. 22 tahun yang lalu di sini di Provinsi Quebec, mereka memiliki national disaster yaitu badai es yang menyebabkan penyedia jasa listrik atau Hydro-Quebec tidak bisa menyalurkan listriknya.
These people need power to stay alive. Oh my God, they're not gonna hold.
Nah, kenapa terjadi begitu? Karena tiang listriknya itu penuh dengan es, terus dia berat dan lama-lama kolaps. Nah, hal ini menyebabkan 1 juta orang tidak bisa menerima listrik.
Power lines. At this hour, more than 3 million people are without power.
6 orang meninggal karena beku.
Hundreds of thousands of people are without water.
25 orang meninggal atau dilarikan ke rumah sakit karena keracunan karbon monoksida yang dihasilkan dari asap dari membakar kayu di dalam rumah. Terus 130 orang harus dievakuasi dan tinggal di shelter.
And 100 people taking shelter in the complex had to evacuate.
Ratusan sekolah tutup, bahkan border yang ada di Ottawa juga harus ditutup, shut down. It's totally chaos, guys. Benar-benar disaster. Nah, tahun lalu, 2019, hal ini terjadi lagi, walaupun jumlah orang yang tidak bisa menerima listrik itu lebih sedikit, kurang lebih 250.000 residen.
A storm system has already cut a frozen path across central Canada. The temperature in some places plunging below -20.
If the perfect ice storm were to strike, it would begin on a January day in the skies above Montreal.
Millions of Canadians are huddled indoors on this Sunday because of a nasty winter storm.
The storm is tracking east now.
The monster storm that sparked that collision also created a frightening situation in Quebec that left 2 men dead.
Hari ini adalah hari ketiga di mana keadaan cuaca di sini super beku, frozen. Kayak di film Frozen itu ya. Nah, seperti yang kalian lihat, ranting-ranting pohon ini semuanya diselimuti es. Bukan salju lagi, es, beku. Nah, semakin lama pohonnya itu akan semakin berat. Nanti dia bisa jatuh gitu ya, bisa tumbang dengan sendirinya. Aku harap beberapa hari ke depan keadaan akan menjadi lebih baik. Jadi bencana alam yang terjadi tahun lalu atau 22 tahun yang lalu nggak akan terulang lagi. I hope so. I really hope. Buat korban bencana banjir dan bencana alam lainnya di Indonesia, we are in this together. I'm sending you pray and love.